Welcome to our live show today about high-analytic castings and forgings. Okay?
This is Helen. Welcome to our live shows.
Okay, so as you may know, we are Eternal Bliss Alloy Castings and Forgings Company Limited. Normally we call ourselves as
EV
China,
EV
yes?
China,
Yes. Okay. So Helen, so do you know where are we located?
We are located in Wuxi, Jiangsu province, about 150 km far from Shanghai.
Yes. Okay. We are very near from Shanghai. Yes.
Yes.
So most of our high alloy castings and forgings will be shipped from Shanghai port. Yes. Shanghai port
yes.
or Shanghai Pudong International Airport. Okay. So Helen, so do you know what's the registered capital of our EV China?
The registered capital of EV China is 30.14 million Chinese yuan.
Okay, great. So, so far, do you know how long have we been the goods supplier of Alibaba International?
More than 6 years.
Yes. Okay, so yes, we have been the goods supplier on Alibaba International for more than 6 years. So, every year, TUV will come to our company and our foundry to make the on-site assessment. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So, Helen, could you please let us show some certificates to our overseas customers? Okay.
We have passed many different certifications such as
Yes, this one.
iOS 9001 Quality Management System Certificate.
Yes, you just like this, yes?
Yes.
Okay, so this is, so Helen, could you read for us? You just read from here.
Quality management system complies with GBT
Yes.
19001.
Yes.
2016 iOS 91 2015 requirements.
Yes, so this certificate is valid for the following scope.
Supply of alloy, casting, and forgings.
Yes, okay, so from this certificate you can find our
certificate number
and
certificate date, certificate valid date, date of initial certification.
Yes, also you can find our unified social credit code of the certified organization on this certificate. Yes, so
yes.
Everything is shown clearly on this certificate. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the first important certificate from EV China. Okay, how about the second one? Second one is yes.
The second one is iOS.
It's about
environmental management system comply with GBT 24001 2016 iOS 14001 2015 requirements.
Okay, great. Yes. Okay. This certificate is valid for the following scope.
Supply of alloy, casting, and forgings in the
size. Yes. Yes. Also, you can find our
certificate number, certificate date, certificate valid date, date of initial certification.
Yes. Also, you can find our unified social credit code of the certified organization on our ISO 14001 certificate. Yes. So this certificate is also very important. Okay, so how about the third one? Okay. Okay, let's see. The third important certificate is
occupational health and safety management system comply with GBT 14001 2020 ISO
45.
45,001 2018 requirements.
Yes.
The certificate is valid for the following scope: supply of alloy casting and forging and sets.
Yes, okay. This certificate also very important, especially nowadays in society, nowadays foundry world. Yes. Okay. Also, on this certificate you can find our
Certificate number, certificate date, certificate valid date of initial certification.
yes. You also can find our unified social credit code of the certified organization on our this certificate. Okay. So now we have introduced our three important certificates. Okay. So also, Helen, just you mentioned that we have been the audited supplier on Alibaba, yes, for more than 6 years. So could you please show some certificate to our overseas friends here? This one? This one. Yes, Helen, could you read this certificate for our friends here? Verified.
Verified supplier certificate.
Yes. Okay, you can see our certificate number. Yes.
Yes. The number.
Also, you will note that this is a TUV. TUV issued this certificate. Yeah, to us. Every year TUV will come to our company and our foundry to make the on-site assessment. If qualified, they will issue this certificate to us. Yes.
Yes.
So you can note that this one. This certificate is valid
from 16
September 16th. Yes.
September 2020. Valid until 15 September 2021.
Yes. Okay. So this is effective, valid certificate. So, my dear friends, also so far we have also been the on-site global supplier of MIC, and also SGS also came to our foundry to make the on-site assessment. Yes. Okay. So Helen. So this is a new award. Yes. So let's introduce to our overseas friends here. So this award is about
Manufacturing Excellent Innovation Awards.
Yes. This award just were issued just this May, just last month. Yeah, last month. Made in China and SGS issued this award to us. Okay. Okay. Okay, so my dear friend, as you know, EB China not only just specialize in manufacturing and designing and marketing our high alloy castings and forgings and machines. Also, we focus on our research and development of new materials. Yes, and new production technology. So far, our company EB China, has awarded 22 patents. Yes. Oh, this is our brands. Brands. We have registered four brands. Yeah. The first one is
EB
boats. Yes, the first brand. The second brand is
EB
casting. EB casting. And this one, the third one, brand
EB
Weld. Okay, yes. Okay, this this brand registration or trademark is about our how to say our brand in Chinese. Yeah, this one. So totally we have five trademarks. Okay. Okay, this is our trademark. Also, we have 22 patents. This one, yeah, this one is a new patent. It's about material handling basket. Yeah, in our production process. This patent is about special aluminum castings. Yeah, this one is about special heat treatment process about our high alloy castings. Yes, wear castings. Yes, so far this is our copyright software, computer software. Yeah, registration. Yes. Yeah. So far we have five. We have five copyrights. Okay. Okay, you will see this patent is about our very famous wear resistant products about high strength, high toughness, lift bar castings. Yeah, this one is about our production technology. Yeah, this is a melting system improvement. Yeah, this is also a mining lift bar parts. Yeah, it's this patent is also for a wear resistant product. Okay, so totally we have 22 patents. Okay, so Helen, could you up down show some more information? Yeah. So, yes. You will see. Just now we have introduced these certificates. Yes. Okay. Next page. Okay. Yes, we are also the member of Wuxi Commerce Chamber of E-commerce. Okay, next page. Okay, this is a certificate from Alibaba International. Yes. Next one. Next one. Okay, just this. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, so my dear friend, now we just introduced, just made a brief introduction about EV China. So so far we have passed the ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001 certification. So all these certificates are very important for our foundry and forging plants. Okay, so now we just hope that you can make a more clear understanding on EV China. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so now that's all for our brief introduction about our company EV China. So let's welcome to our next our colleague for his wonderful live show. Okay. Okay, so lady, okay, so just let's wait a moment. Okay, so okay, so let's take a photo together. Okay, thank you. Thanks for Helen's live show. Okay, so okay, let's welcome my colleague. Yes. Okay. So okay, welcome. Bruce.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is Bruce from EB China. And this is my first live broadcast. And I'm very happy to be able to participate in this show. Today, I will introduce you the bolts and nuts products. Okay, let's get started. Here is some information about bolts. As early as the 16th century in Europe, nail-making workers began producing nails with spiral threads. In 1797, Motley invented an all-metal precision screw base in London. The following year, Wilson made a nut and bolt manufacturing machine in the United States. Both machines can produce. Both machines can produce universal nuts and bolts. Until the 21st century, bolts are widely used in construction, machinery, furniture, electrical appliances, automobiles, lamps, and other industries. Okay, this is some introduction about our bolts. Materials. The bolt materials produced by our company mainly include carbon steel, alloy steel, stainless steel, and special alloys such as 45 steel, SS316, SS30304, SAF 2205, 2507, 40 CR, 42 CR more, and mono K500, mono 400. And our diameter is from M6 to M100. The length is 20 to 800 and so on. And our application is very broad, mainly used in mining machinery, cooling tower, and other industrial equipments. This is another product of our corporation called ball mill bolts. It can be used in both mills, cement mills, coal mills, and mine mills, including SAG mills, AG mills. This is its material grade. It commonly uses 40 CR, which is 10.9 grade, and 42 CR mold, which is 12.9 grade, and 35 CR mold, which is 12.9 grade. Here are some pictures to show our samples. As you can see, our products are various to meet different requirements of different customers. I can show you some specific samples. This is the small one, and its diameter is relatively small. Also, this is the big one, different from that small one. The main purpose of the big one is different from the small one. Well, which sizes of boats can we make? The sizes of boats we can produce include M10, M12, M14, M16, M20, M22, M30, M36, M42, M45, M4H, M56, M60, M64, M68, M72, M76, M80, etc. As you all know, as you know, there are many different types of boat heads. What kinds of boat heads can we produce? We can make oval boat head, or called ellipse boat head, flat boat head, square boat heads. We can also make the customized boat heads as per your drawings. Okay, let's continue.
Okay, so this is a video. This is a video of our forging process. Okay, generally we adopt a forging process to make the bolts and nuts. Yes.
And in this video, you can clearly see our factory and the process of making the bolts and nuts. After watching this video, we can have a more clear understanding of our products. We also have stainless steel bolts. What is stainless steel bolts? It generally refers to steel bolts that are resistant to corrosion by air, water, acids, alcohol, salts, or other media. It is mainly used for environmental protection equipment, medical equipment, power facilities, chemical instruments, petrochemical industries, pump valve pipelines. And our commonly produced materials are SS304, SS316, SAF2205, 2507, and Mono K500 and Mono 400. These are some samples of our products. As you can see, we have diverse products to meet various needs of the customers. Here I use some picture to illustrate our products package. We can guarantee you that the product will be safe in the shipping process. Here, the picture on the left is meal certificate to prove our products are qualified and eligible. And the right one is a chemical analysis report. It shows different components of the products and standards of products. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any inquiry about clothes, please send it to our email forging@ebcasting.com. We'd like to study your requirements and quote you the best prices. Please follow our shop on Alibaba. I will bring you a more exciting live broadcast in the near future. Okay, if you have any questions, please click here to follow us. Next, welcome my colleague to make the next wonderful live show for you.
Okay, so let's welcome our colleague Bree for her next live show. And let's see.
Okay, hello everyone. Hello everyone. I'm Bree from EB China. Now let us the powder. EB material powder. Okay, hard one nickel powder. A lot. 4 parts. Part 1 nickel powder. Part 2 element powder. Part 3 copper powder. Part 4 copper powder. Now let us look at the first one. Nickel powder. The material of the nickel powder. Look at the picture. This is the nickel powder. Look at the blend with the nickel powder and the nickel powder is conflict. Powder, nickel powder, and black nickel powder.
Nickel powder is distilled and fermented. Nickel powder is distilled and fermented. The clay nickel powder is made of high nickel powder. In the process of the suitable and element and grown with the steel ball mill full of the latex of the stable stages. Look at the picture. This is the the powder is used in powder make concrete and motion and nail and so on.
然后这个键取消选这个键，然后Ctrl S。不是，这个怎么学的呀？你可以勾图。
Look at the color of the nickel powder. Green powder easy to exhale most air. Uses of the nickel powder. The powder uses of animal mats. The powder used to cracker oils and high temperature and resin and metals. His machines and can also use high oil nickel powder. Manifold shimmer solution. The next one, taking of nickel powder. Painted with Chinese bracelets, bags, juice bags, and neon juice. Look at the photo of the powder. This is the powder, and this is the small mousse powder. And this is the powder with all this is the tip of the powder. It's pointed in the pipes and rooms. Look at the powder is very easy to execute in the smallest areas. So the powder must point in the pipes or tubes. Test the result of the powder. Look at the powder. Nickel is 99 and also has small another methods. Look at the nickel powder is big, nice to make. Look at the part one and nickel powder. look at the picture. This is the almond powder. Almond powder known as cereal powder. This is cereal medical powder, a small powder of the powder is to pour animal foil. The powder also plastic. Look at the color of the powder. Cereal white medical powder. Uses of the almond powder. Is used diamond, inks, points, and fireworks. Taking of the powder. Packed with rice and plastic bags, close bags, and oil juice. Look at the picture. This is the almond powder. It's green. And this is the packing of the clothes bags. And also pack it with the almond juice. Taste the report of the powder pack is the powder name and the paper number. And this powder has about 99.
可以弄巡盘的，好吧？你这样在这里不然旁边说你们就这个。
Look at the top three. Top three is purple powder. The purple powder is copper and zinc. The copper and the zinc reduce the purple powder. Look at the purple powder. The yellow. The purple powder is yellow. And the purple powder is the purple powder is orange. Look at the color of the purple powder. The color of the purple powder is white, red and orange. The color of the purple powder is yellow. Look at the uses of the purple powder. Purple powder is one use lactic glucose cells migrate and the cocoa powder might continue the migrate and wavy migrate. The cocoa powder is also used in another oil and swamp. Look at the packing of the cocoa powder. The cocoa powder use dyes and plastic bags, cloth bags, and iron strips is very easy to present in the small areas. Look at the photos of the cocoa powder. Look at this is super cocoa powder. It's white. This is cocoa powder. This is yellow. Look at the picture. We studied. The picture is beautiful, and the whole cocoa powder and the cocoa powder is look at the taste of the cocoa powder. The cocoa powder super 1990 from my life. I want to small. Silver small, nickel small, and big and the swamp is have small points. The copper have about. This is the copper powder. Now look at this test because the copper have 16 and the zinc equal and iron have small and zinc have about 40. So this is the cocoa powder. This is yellow, right. Color is right or orange. This is color is yellow. Don't bite. Now let's learn part 4. Cocoa powder. The cocoa powder look at its color is white. This cocoa powder is cocoa the development of the produce of the cocoa powder. Look at the color of the cocoa powder. The color of the cocoa powder is gray. Look at the uses of the cobalt powder. Used as the practice sometimes contained carbide cement high temperature oils and materials and such as research bright batteries and recovered bright and methane.
那你就写一个词 plenty about
Taking of the cobalt powder. The powder is master painting of in iron dreams on static box.
然后呢
Now
这边要怎么写呢？就
use the
看看
bikes.
有没有模板
You know,
点
the powder master
公司名
painting the iron dream on static box.
你们看
You must don't use the bags. Any bags. Look at the photos of the cobalt powder. Look, the cobalt powder only one color, the gray. Don't have another color. Look at master packet in the iron dreams our box. Look at the size of the cobalt powder. As 2 minus 3, 4, 5, and 18 main mix.
我们一般说
And
DM 算什么？
100
可以把这一块放进去，看到一块小的。 它的
100
市场这个逻辑是 business is from
Okay.
EB China about IS 这段写，
100 and
然后现在是
something minus
海外
and
寻
so
找
on.
，Are you still looking for？还要需要这个泰国吗？可以把它换成。
Look at the picture.
可以给它分别。然后我跟他说，如果你需要包括技术单点，请发给我同事在说这个还有其他产品。那我们真的希望我们在2021年
In our life,
这个
also have another powder.
我愿意就是给我们做点
Another powder. Look at this.
可以把它
You know, this
是一
is
家专业的生产高合金珠分器，是21年，
migrant powder. Alright.
21年的历史，我们主要产品在
You know what is the powder?
我们的铸罐工厂
Do you know what is this powder?
体系认证，
哇
企业会科学成分
This is company powder. You are right.
审核，然后我们高合金专利已经出的超过60
Look at this
我们提供
picture.
高效的
What is the
24小
powder?
时的服务热线，那可能就是在
This is
免费的是
iron powder.
看控，
It's
应该
wiring
是在正常的情况下，正常情况下如果产品失效非常
use the light.
这个是
Look at
on-the-level
this.
service。
This is the dreaming powder.
正常
Dreaming powder
的
is
专业技术魅力。
light.
下面就是这个照片，这照片你现在下面这个太小了，推压太小。
This is the bright light.
那你就把这一块复制过去。
This is manual color. What is the color? This is green color. Wow. This is the pink color. This color is very good. I like this. Do you like? Thank you, everyone. Next time, see you later. Bye bye.
Okay, thanks for reading wonderful live show. Live show, okay, about metal powder. So we just wait here for a moment.
他只是写 my dear friend，或者把上面给打。
拜拜。
Okay, let's welcome my
Welcome,
colleague
Shelly.
Shelly to introduce her cobalt alloy and nickel alloy products. Okay, let's welcome. 可以，Mr. 表示。
看了没？站着就行了，还坐着。讲什么？
Hello. Everyone, this is Shelly from EB China. Welcome to our live show today about cobalt alloy and nickel alloy. First one, cobalt alloy. You can see catalog for cobalt alloy. I will introduce two parts for cobalt alloy. Part 1 is C9 balls and C9 sticks. Part 2 is cobalt 50 castings and forgings. Okay. Part 1. C9 balls and sticks. The first is the material for C9. C9 is a hard alloy that can withstand various types of wear and clothing and high temperature oxidation. Commonly known as cobalt chromium tungsten and cobalt-based alloy. C9 is based on cobalt as the main component, including some nickel, chromium, and tungsten. You can see this table is for chemical composition for C9. C9-3. The carbon is 2.7%. For manganese is less than 1.0%. For silicon is less than 1.0%. For chromium is 29 to 33%. For nickel is less than 3.0%. For tungsten is 11 to 15%. For iron is less than 3.0%. And the cobalt is balanced. C9-4. For carbide is 0.8 to 1.2%. For manganese is less than 1.0%. For silicon is less than 1.5%. For chromium is 28 to 32%. For nickel is less than 3.0%. For tungsten is
5.5 to 15.5%. For iron is listing 3.0% and the coupon is balanced. C96. For carbide is 0.9 to 1.4%. For manganese is listing 1.0%. For silicon is listing 1.5%. For chromium is 27 to 31%. For nickel is listing 3.0%. For tungsten is 3.5 to 5.5%. For iron is listing 3.0% and the cobalt is balanced. Next, C9 For carbide is 1.1 to 1.7%. For manganese is listing 1.0%. For silicon is listing 1.0%. For tungsten is 28 to 32%. For nickel is less than 3.0%. For tungsten is 7.0 to 9.0%. For iron is less than 3.0% and the cobalt is balanced. Last one is C920. For carbide is 2.2 to 3.0%. For manganese is less than 1.0%. For silicon is less than 2.0%. For chromium is 30 to 34%. For nickel is less than 3.0%. For tungsten is 14 to 18%. For iron is less than 3.0% and the cobalt is balanced. Okay, next, the basic information for C9 boards and Cs. You can see this photo is our product for C9 boards. The C9 boards is cobalt alloy. The hardness is HRC 45 to HRC 55. The mostly used material is C920. This one is our product for C96. You can see the material of the C96 is generally lower than the material of C9 boards. The mostly used material is C93 or A3. Next, some photos from C9 boards and Cs. You can see these photos is our company's standard products. The standard is API LAP. Next, painting photos for C9 boards and Cs. You can these photos. We have two types for painting. If you order many products for C9 boards and Cs, we use wooden boards. If you order some samples for test, we use cartons for you. Next, some videos for C9 boards and Cs.
他就是说我是工作在这个 Marketex 乌克兰的一个厂里。
You can see this video is C9 board.
切的这种电池，对吧？在这里，你是否能够做2个根据我的图这里面
You can see it looks very nice.
也是给它清洗的
The service is G100. Okay, next
另
video.
外就是 English greetings about 就是lead course 的签。
You can see this video is for C9 boards for process. Next, test report for C9 boards and 6. You can see this prepare. Photo is test report. You can see the material is C93 or A3. Specification diameter 31.75 millimeters. You can see chemical composition for C93. You can see for carbide. The range is 2.4 to 3.0%, and the actual value is 2.95. For chromic, the range is 33 to 36%, and the actual value is 33.79. For iron, the range is less than 3.0%. The actual value is 1.7. For nickel, the range is less than 3.0%, and the actual value is 1.95. For silicon, the range is less than 1.5%, and the actual value is 0.59. For tungsten, the range is 17.0 to 19.5%, and the actual value is 18.1. For molybdenum, the range is less than 1.0%, and the actual value is 0.111. For manganese, the range is 0.2 to 0.8%. The actual value is 0.27. Last one for cobalt is balance. Next, physical properties for C9 balls in 6. You can see the hardness is 59 extra C. Next, size for C9 balls and 6. For cobalt alloy balls. Special application. Diameter 50.88 millimeter. The unit is 18 grams. Diameter 19.05 millimeter. The unit is 30 grams. Diameter 22.23 millimeter. The unit is 50 grams. Diameter 23.83 millimeter. The unit is 61 grams. Diameter 25.4 millimeter. The unit is 74 grams. Diameter 28.53 millimeter. The unit is 105 grams. Diameter 31.75 millimeter. The unit is 145 grams. Diameter 34.925 millimeter. The unit is 195 grams. Diameter 38.1 millimeter. The unit is 253 grams. Diameter 42.88 millimeter. The unit is 357 grams. Diameter 15.8 millimeter. The unit is 593 grams. The material is D920. For alloy 6, you can see the stainer is APR-LAP. You can see B11 to 125. The size of ball is diameter 19.05 millimeter. The size of stick is odd diameter 23.32 millimeter. Inner diameter 30.97 millimeter. And then the height is 5.7 millimeter. The unit is 30 grams. For weight 30 to 1.775. You can see the size of ball is diameter 28.58 millimeter. The size of stick is odd diameter 34.26 millimeter. Inner diameter 20.96 millimeter. And height is 5.7 millimeter. The unit is 68 grams. For B11 to 106, the unit is 23 grams. B11 to 150, the unit is 50 grams. B11 to 200, the unit is 69 grams. B11 to 225, the unit is 100 grams. B11 to 250, the unit is 126 grams. The material is C93 or A3. Next, I'd like to show some samples for you. You can see these samples is our products for stainer balls and sticks. This one is big ball. The material is D920. The surface is G100. This one is small. You can see the diameter is 15.88 millimeter. The service is G100. This one, the diameter is 50.8 millimeter. Okay. This one is state 96. You can see the diameter is the old diameter is 23.32 millimeter. The inner diameter is 13.97 millimeter, and the height is 12.7 millimeter. The material is Z93 or A3. Okay, let's go on. Next, export from Z9 boards and seats. We have exported Z9 boards and seats to many countries, such as the USA, UK, Italy, Spain, Brazil, and Australia, and other countries. Our customers have very good feedback on our products for Z9 boards and seats. If you have any inquiry for Z9 boards and seats, please follow our shop. I'd like to for you as soon as possible. Thank you. Next, other products from cobalt alloy. You can see this photo is our other products for cobalt alloy. First one is cobalt alloy welding rods. The material is Z96. For cobalt alloy welding rods, we have Z9 1, 6, 12, and 21. The second one is cobalt alloy rock bars. The last one is cobalt alloy rings. Next, part 2, cobalt 50 castings and forgings. The first thing, the basic information from cobalt 50. Cobalt 50 is a high temperature alloy material. High temperature alloy refers to a type of metal materials based on iron, nickel, and cobalt that can work for a long time at a high temperature, above 600 degrees, and single strength, and high temperature strength, good oxidation and corrosion resistance. You can see this photo is our products for cobalt 50. Next, some photos from cobalt 50 products. You can see this photo. The material is our cobalt 50. Next, some photos for cobalt 50 forgings.
我们忘了这7天培训成了我们办的。 第二阶段是第三阶段是耐腐蚀。
Next, test report for cobalt 50 products. You can see chemical composition. For carbide, the rate is 0.05
刚才这个克兰，
to 0.3%, and the actual value is 0.08. For silicon, the rate is 0.5 to 1.0%, and the actual value is 0.66. For magnesium, the rate is 0.5 to 1.0%, and the actual value is 0.664. For chromium, the rate is 27 to 29%, and the actual value is 27.7. For cobalt, it is 48 to 52%. The actual value is 51.1.
千多，然后累裂了，这样子，下面这个概率。
Okay, next, dimensional check report for products.
要是是买吗？没有了，我是明天。明天哪有直播？
Next,
明天有直播。
this photo is our choice for cobalt 50 products.
我没准备啊。我今天不是没有安排。
You can see this is our test for cobalt 50 products.
那我待会儿我要讲什么？我也没东西。
This photo is our products
两车买。
for cobalt 50 products. You can see the joints.
哦，small，这个人要了好多次报价，我在理他一共多少钱？然后第一次报价是。
Okay. The second one is nickel alloy. Catalog for nickel alloy. I will introduce 3 parts for nickel alloy. Part 1, nail alloy. Part 2, internal alloy. Part 3, test alloy. Okay. Part 1, nail alloy.
这个加不上去。
The basic information from nail alloy. Nail alloy series products have excellent physical properties of high stress, high corrosion resistance, and well resistance. They have the advantage of long service life. Commonly used grades are Monel 400 and Monel K500. You can see this table is chemical composition for Monel alloy. You can see first one is Monel K500. The second one is Monel 400. You can see Monel K500. The carbide is less than 0.1%. For silicon is less than 0.5%. For magnesium is less than 1.5%. For iron is less than 2.0%. For copper is 27 to to 33%. For nickel, it's 63 to 70%. For aluminum, it's 2.3 to 3.15%. For titanium, it's 0.35 to 0.8%. Molybdenum 400. For carbon, it's less than 0.3%. For silicon, it's less than 0.5%. For manganese, it's less than 2.0%. For iron, it's less than 2.5%. For copper, it's 28.0 to 34.0%. For nickel, it's more than 62 to 69%. So, the material performance of Monel K500 is better than that of Monel 400. Okay, next, test report for Monel alloy. You can see the products is bolts and nuts. The material is Monel K500. Chemical composition. For carbide is the range is less than 0.025%, and the actual value is 0.008 or 0.009. For silicon, the range is less than 0.5%, and the actual value is 0.37 or 0.23. For manganese, the range is less than 1.5%, and the actual value is 1.14 or 0.95. For copper, the range is 27.0 to 33.0%. The actual value is 29.4 or 28.9. For iron, the range is less than 2.0%. The actual value is 0.95 or 0.87. For nickel, the range is 63.0 to 17.0%. The actual value is 67. The actual value is 64.72 or 65.48. For titanium, the range is 0.35 to 0.85%, and the actual value is 0.71 or 0.73. For aluminum, the range is 2.30 to 3.15%. The actual value is 2.69 or 2.82. Okay, next, test report for Monel alloy. You can see this one is dimensional check report for products. This photos is our products for bolts and nuts. You can see the force is the size is the size white across black is 18.69 millimeter to 19.05 millimeter. The thickness is 10.85 to 11.737 millimeter. The length is 805.8 millimeter. The neck is very long. Next, some photos for Monel alloy. You can see this one is bolts and nuts. The material is Monel K500. It looks very nice. Here are the bolts, nuts, and the washers we sent to Australia. Next, this photo is long bolts. This one is washers. The material is Monel 400. The material is Monel K500. Next, some photos for Monel alloy. You can see this photo is tubes, rings. Here are the rings and the tubes we sent to Singapore. Next, part 2, Inconel alloy. The first one, the basic information for Inconel alloy. The biggest feature of Inconel series material is better corrosion resistance. Generally speaking, the higher the chromium content, the better the corrosion resistance. You can see this table is chemical composition for Inconel alloy. Inconel 625. For carbide is less than 0.1%. For silicon is less than 0.5%. For magnesium is less than 0.5%. For chromium is 20.0 to 23.0%. For aluminum, it's less than 0.4%. For titanium, it's less than 0.4%. For iron, it's less than 5.0%. For molybdenum, it's 8.0 to 10.0%. For nickel, it's less than 58.0%. Inconel 718. For carbide is less than 1.08%. For silicon is less than 0.35%. For manganese, it's less than 0.35%. For chromium, it's 17 to 21%. For titanium, it's 0.65 to 1.15%. For molybdenum, it's 2.8 to 3.3%. For nickel, it's 50.0 to 55.0%. And the iron is balanced. Nickel at 750. For carbon is less than 0.5%. For silicon is less than 0.5%. For manganese is less than 1.0%. For chromium is 14 to 17%. For aluminum is 0.4 to 1.0%. For titanium is 2.25 to 2.75%. For nickel is more than 70%. So the higher the chromium content, the better the crossing resistance. Okay, next. Test report for inconel alloy. This test report is chemical composition report. You can see the material is inconel 625. Chemical composition. You can see for iron, the range is 3.0%, and the actual value is 2.61. For manganese, the range is less than 0.5%, and the actual value is 0.2. For carbon, the range is less than 0.01%, and the actual value is 0.009. For silicon, the range is less than 0.08%, and the actual value is 0.007. For aluminum, the range is less than 0.5%, and the actual value is 0.38. For cobalt, the range is less than 0.2%, and the actual value is 0.1. For copper, the range is 1.3 to 1.9%, and the actual value is 1.47. For chromium, the range is 22.0 to 24.0%, and the actual value is 22.80. For molybdenum, the range is 50.0 to 70.0%, and the actual value is 15.71. For nickel, the range is balanced, and the actual value is 56.64. The hardness is 119 HB. Next, test report from inconel alloy. This photo is dimensional check report for products. You can see the joint is flange. The material is inclinal 625. Next, some photos for inclinal alloy. You can see these different photos is our products for flange. The material is inclinal 625. Part 3. Histoloid alloy. First one, the basic information for histoloid alloy. Histoloid is a nickel basic crossing resistant alloy and divided into two categories. Nickel chromic alloy and nickel chromic molybdenum alloy. Histoloid has good crossing resistance. You can see this table is chemical composition from histoloid alloy. Histoloid 222. You can see for carbide is less than 0.015%. For manganese is less than 0.5%. For nickel is more than 56.0%. For silicon is less than 0.08%. For chromium is 20.0 to 22.5%. For iron is 2.0 to 6.0%. For molybdenum is 1.5 to 14.5%. For tungsten is 2.5 to 3.5%. For cobalt is less than 2.5%. Next, histoloid 276. For carbide is less than 1.01%. For manganese is less than 1.0%. For nickel is more than 57.0%. For silicon is less than 0.08%. For chromium is 14.5 to 16.5%. For iron is 4.0 to 7.0%. For molybdenum is 15.0 to 17.0%. For tungsten is 3.0 to 4.5%. For cobalt is less than 2.5%. Next, histoloid 2000. For carbide is less than 0.001%. For manganese is less than 0.5%. For silicon is less than 0.08%. For chromium is 22.0 to 25.0%. For iron is less than 3.0%. For molybdenum is 14.0 to 18.0%. For cobalt is less than 2.0%. For aluminum is less than 0.5%. Okay, let's go on. Okay, classification. Crystalline alloy is mainly divided into three series: B, C, and G. It is mainly used in iron-based chromium nickel or chromium nickel model. Stainless steel, long metallic materials, and other strong corrosive that cannot be used. You can see series B. We have B22 or 00 nickel 70 modern 28 and B23. Next, C series. We have C276 or 00 chromium 16 modern 16 tungsten 4 and Hexalloy 4 or 00 chromium 16 modern 16 and Hexalloy 22 00 chromium 22 modern 13 tungsten 3 and Hexalloy 2000 or 00 chromium 20 modern 16. Next, series G. G23 or 00 chromium 22 nickel 48 modern 7 copper and G230 or 00 chromium 30 nickel 48 modern 7 copper. The most widely used the second generation materials. In 10665 or B22, in 1026276 or Hexalloy 276. In 066 or 6022 or Hexalloy 22. Okay, next some photos for Hexalloy alloy. You can see these photos is our project. First one is black. The second one is tubes of height. The second one is tubes. This one is round box and foils. These products, the material is Hexalloy alloy. Next, the second one is dental alloy. First one, chemical composition for dental alloy. The casting process of dental alloy box is investment casting, also known as non-wax casting method. The basic process is to first make a wax model from wax or plastic. And the surface of the wax model is coated with an embedding material to make the casting model, and then the molten alloy is cast into the casting cavity inside, forming a casting sleeve. You can see this table is chemical composition for dental alloy. And this one is cobalt chromium dental alloy. For carbide is 27.0 to 30.0%. For molybdenum is 5.0 to 7.0%. For carbide is 0.26 to 2.26. For manganese is 0.28 to 0.38%. For silicon is 0.75 to 0.97%. And the cobalt is balanced. This one is nickel chromium dental alloy. For carbide is less than 0.05%. For silicon is less than 1.5%. For silver is less than 0.01%. For chromium is 22.0 to 26.0%. For iron is less than 2.0%. For molybdenum is 9.0 to 11.0%. For nickel is balanced. Next, demand description for dental alloy. The market for dental alloy is very broad because of the widespread dental industry. The demand for dental alloy has increased. As we all know, there are many types of dental alloy materials. Here, we show the demand for dental alloy of various materials. You can see this photo is demand description. You can see, and this area is nickel dental alloy, accounted for 59% of the work. And this area is cobalt dental alloy, accounted for 31% of the work. This area is nickel uranium containing dental alloy, accounted for 7% of the work. The last one is others, accounted for 3% of the work. Okay, next go on. Some photos for dental alloy. You can see these products is very small. Next video is for dental alloy. This video is nickel chromium dental alloy. Okay, next video. You can see this video is cobalt chromium dental alloy. Okay, next, I'd like to show some samples for you. You can see this sample is dental alloy. This one is nickel chromium dental alloy. And you can see the diameter is 8 millimeter. And the length is 14 millimeter. Okay. You can see the sample is very small. Okay. This one is cobalt chromium dental alloy. You can see these samples for cobalt chromium dental alloy. You can see the diameter is 9.55 millimeter. And the length is 9.65 millimeter. Okay. This sample is for the dental alloy. If you have any inquiry for dental alloy, please follow our shop. I'd like to cook for you as soon as possible. Thank you. Thank you for your watching. That's all for my speech now. Welcome to our next live show and tomorrow. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thanks for sharing this wonderful live show. Okay, she introduced the cobalt alloy and nickel alloy products. we have many different cobalt alloy and nickel alloy products. Yes, such as dental alloy, and some investment castings, forgings, welding rods, welding powder. Okay, so let's get together to take a photo together. Okay. Okay, so my dear friend, thanks for watching our live show today. Today we have many different live show about our different products. Such as the bolts and nuts. Bruce delivered the speech for us, and also Rui. Okay, so Rui also delivered the speech about metal powder. Okay, thank you. Thanks. Yeah. Okay, thanks for all your time. Okay, so. Okay, so also Shelly also delivered the cobalt alloy and the nickel alloy castings and forgings. Okay, so if you are interested in our products, especially our